right, guys, so we are here with Rpgshow. So I'm super excited for today's video, and I'm just gonna do a quick unboxing for you guys. They sent over some, well, a wax stick, wig cap, and the star of the show. Okay, her name is Brianna. I don't know if it's Brianna or Brianna. I don't know, y'all, but that's the name of the unit, and it's stated for the color, it's a honey golden brown. The hair length of this unit is going to be 18 inches. The hair texture, of course, is Yaki. The cap construction is a cap B lace front wig cap, and the cap size is a size number 1. So this is the lace, and the lace is a tinted transparent Swiss lace. Okay. And the hairline is pre-plucked, of course. The inches of the parting space on the unit is 6 inches. As you guys can see, they include the little elastic bands, and it does have the 3 combs, 2 on the side, 1 at the nape, and then the drawstring. So I am going to cut off those elastic bands because I don't like them. Okay, so okay, y'all, what first took me over was the lace. I noticed that it just melted right into my hand, so I'm like, let me put this on, because I know a lot of companies always say that their laces are transparent, but it has that vanilla color to it, and this one is literally transparent. And I don't know when the last time I actually had an actual transparent lace. Look at this, you guys, look at this. Okay, so I'm actually giving you guys the realness because I didn't go in and pluck it. I didn't do anything, y'all. This is all Rpgshow's doing, so I'm applauding them because, like, they literally came for my neck. Like, I did not think the unit was gonna, be serving life like it is. So I'm just going to take some scissors and cut off the excess lace for this unit. And as you guys can see, you cannot tell where is the lace. I'm cutting off the lace and you cannot see where it ends. And Rpgshow had just made it at the top of my list for reviews for 2020. Just with that alone, it's like I'm cutting, when you cut the lace and then you can see the line of demarcation from where the lace ends, like, you can't even see that. Like, what type of stuff are they on? Like, seriously. So super excited for that because it was just crazy. Okay, but now I'm gonna go ahead and wipe off my makeup from my hairline so I can go ahead and secure it down. Now, you don't have to secure it down. That's what the elastic band is for. If you get the right cap size for your head, you can just use the elastic band and it will be just as snug, but I don't like using those, so we won't secure it down today. So I'm going in with my handy dandy, my old school, my OG 𝚘𝚘glue hairspray. You guys, I know I stated in one of my videos I wasn't ever going to use this product again, but I was not for the mess of this unit trying to play with some bedhead, because bedhead, it has been getting on my everlasting nerves lately, especially with the white caking up it has been giving me. So I have to go back to what I've used to working with, and that's my 𝚘𝚘glue spray. So just taking it, spraying it, and I actually went back to my old way of applying my wigs, which is cutting off the lace first and laying it down. And I wanted to say that this method is the reason why the white line was there, but I know I would be lying. I swear to you guys, Rpgshow's lace on this unit is just giving me life. Do you guys see how it's just melting into my forehead like that? Like, sis, where's the lace? And that is all the compliments I actually got on this unit all day. Like, is this your hair? Did you dye your hair? Like, what? Like, seriously, y'all, this is real life, legit, the most amazing lace that I've come across in a long time. So super impressed with this hairline. I'm just looking like, y'all are just watching it melt right into my skin. You guys seen it here first, so All right, guys. So as you guys can see, she is all finished and no white line. I mean, you see a little bit on certain areas, so I'll try to cover that up. But y'all, this is a far cry from, you know, my last couple of videos when the line was like extremely ashy. So I'm just amazed. Do you guys see this hairline? Like, what lace? Can I say that now? Do you guys think it's safe for me to say what lace or no? I think it is. So I let that sit for a couple of minutes, probably like 5 to 10 minutes. And I used my hair dryer to, you know, make sure it was melted even more. So now I'm just going to clean off the hairline a little bit because I do have hairspray outside of the hairline and it just looks greasy. So just put a little alcohol on that makeup wipe and good sis, you're all good to go. So now I'm going to go ahead and create a part. Actually, the part was already there. I just needed to go in and define it. So y'all, I be struggling doing middle parts. I don't know why. It actually took me like 10 minutes to get a freaking middle part. Of course I cut it out, but you guys know. So the only thing I do add on the lace is this concealer because I didn't want to go in and pluck it, okay, to make it a little bit wider, and the concealer hack just works perfectly. So now we're just going to go in and spray some heat protectant around the hairline, and we're going to go ahead and use the hot comb just to make it look a little bit more natural. I feel like this step just makes everything lay down nice and neat and just flat, and I just love that. Oh my gosh, y'all. I just love it, okay? Now, like I said, this is a Yaki texture, so to me, I love a Yaki texture. It just makes me feel like this is really growing out my scalp. It just, you know, it just goes, it just goes. So like I said, this unit is fresh out of the box, y'all. Fresh out of the box. It has not been washed, it has not been co-washed or any of that. And they also sent over conditioner in the box as well. Not sure if it's, you know, a special formulated conditioner that goes hand in hand with their units, but I will be trying that out. But like I said, this unit is straight out the box, so no plucking. I haven't touched it, I haven't done anything, okay? So I'm just gonna go in and just, you know, straighten her out. Of course, she just came out of the box. You don't have to. Sure, it's really what you want to do. I wanted to go ahead and style it so you guys can see what you guys were working with if you guys decide to, you know, purchase this unit for yourself. But yeah, so I do straighten it, and the hair is not dry. You know, sometimes when you receive colored units from companies, you can tell they've been in and out with that bleaching and not letting it, you know, sit. You know, just sit in the conditioner, and then you can tell this RPG definitely took their time with this unit, and I'm just freaking amazed. I'm just in love with this unit, period. I did have shedding with this unit. Of course, I cut, you know, the lace off, and that was pretty much it. But I did get a few bit. I say a few bit. That's not even proper English. I did get a little bit of shedding with this unit. I haven't experienced any tangling with this unit so far, so that is always good. But overall, I'm just freaking in love with this unit. So this is what the hair looks like straight. Like, this is before I added any baby hairs. If you guys are not baby hair fanatics, you definitely can count on this unit right here, okay? You can count on this unit right here to wear it without any baby hairs. I can 100% say it because I'm like, sis, where the lace at? Where the lace at? But since I'm a little bit used to baby hairs, I still went in and added some. Although I felt like it looked better without it, but y'all know me, I'm stuck in my way. So I did add baby hairs off camera, but like I said, not needed, not necessary at all, really. So I would really say this is definitely a beginner friendly wig, or if you're like me and you don't like doing all that bleaching, tinting, plucking, all that stuff, this unit would be great because this is a very low maintenance wig. Literally, you can just throw it on your head and go out the door. So super impressed with this company. I have to give them their kudos because this unit has made it to my top best wig of 2020 so far. So yeah, all the information in regards to this unit will be listed down in the description section below. Let me know what you guys think of this unit. Are you guys rocking with the color? I know I said it was like a honey golden brown, but I would say it's just giving me chocolate vibes, but you know, that's what they say. So yeah, I'm getting ready to go, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.